Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews. We're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Sorry for the absence, life. But nonetheless, let's get into this very quick haul. Be right back. Of course, my Scotties, the 160. There's 160 tissues, not the 128. So I will say this is definitely a lot better. I do like my Kleenexes from Target in the Target bullseye kind of section, but I will say that their tissues for 120 and it's almost $3 and change. It can't be a buck 25, y'all, for 160 tissues, and you only get 120 at Target, and it's 2-ply. You already know my Scotties or Puffs. It says exceptional value, 2-ply facial tissues. And they've brought these new patterns. So I obviously picked up this nice floral pattern, and then there's floral here too, but it's more blue. This is a bargain for sure. Now I've been following Do It on a Dime, and she just released a video on all her greatest tips for cleaning hacks. And I came across this in the beauty section, Barbasol, which is like a shaving cream for like guys. And I think honestly anybody can use it. You don't have to be a man. But she has a great hack on her video, and I'll link it down below. How she uses this to clean your faucet, your handlebars, and whatnot. And you just need this in a microfiber towelette that you can find easily for $1.25 also at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna give it a try, and I will let you guys know if this is definitely worth the $1.25. But I loved her hack. And again, the beauty care section. Yes, my strong and soft is back. Bath tissues, 4 rolls, 2-ply. So I made sure I picked up 2 because my local spot is a little far from where I live, so I have to bulk sometimes because it's just kind of hard to get there. Also, I was running low on dish soap, so I love my LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe Liquid Dish Detergent and Fresh Apple. They're back, 30 fluid ounces for $1.25. I also love their spa soap. This is in their cleaning section. This is in their beauty care section. Liquid antibacterial hand soap, original gold, and 32 fluid ounces. I say this goes really far for your buck. For $1.25, and you can refill your dispenser. You can't go wrong. I'm sorry. In comparison to having to spend almost $3 again at Target for a teeny bottle. I mean, I'm not poo-pooing on Target, but it's a little too pricey, honestly, sometimes. So you also can benefit from the Dollar Tree and Target, just give and take on the product. If it's like a brand, you're going to be out of luck at Target. Nonetheless, also, this was actually a great find. This is in their also cleaning section. This is Micro Burst microfiber duster, and this really came in handy. I have picked up so much dust and debris with this, and I can't recommend this enough. Only $1.25. It gets too dusty, just toss it. But honestly, and I'm looking for a mop head. I'm very disappointed that I haven't been able to find a mop head at Dollar Tree. I guess they go kind of quickly. But I'm still on the lookout. My gloves also aren't back, but I did find this by Scrub Buddies, vinyl gloves, 10-pack. So don't seem like they kind of hold too close to the skin or tight, but it's fine. I just use it for just, crafts or just for other purposes. One size fits all, fits either hand, multi-purpose. So I picked up a pack. Also in their cooking section, I have been also meaning to get a spoon, wooden spoon when it comes to the eggs. I bought another one, a spatula, but it just didn't grab as much. And I have one that has served me for decades, but I feel like I need to retire her. So this is from Cooking Concepts, bamboo slotted spoon, hand wash only, as you can see. So it has a nice handle grip that's kind of like rubber. So I picked up a spoon. Also, Because, like I said, do it on a dime has a great hack in terms of getting into the crevices of your bathroom, like your ceramic tiles. And she uses this. I already have like a broomstick, but she has a hack that utilizes this. So I'm going to try it and see if it's actually, I think it's baking soda and a number of other things, but can't recommend this enough just as a broom itself. But this is from their Standard Essentials Collection broom head. I just wish they had a mop head. And this is new, which I thought of that this would be great for windows. So this is a rubber broom. So I'm going to give this a try as well. She doesn't specify this in her video, but I'm going to give this a try just to get into crevices of windows, because they do pile up. The dust and dirt does pile up. So I'm going to give these a try, about 25 each. And these are new. I like these. This is in their, believe it or not, it's in their school supply section. Not necessarily craft your square. As you can see, it's Jot glitter paper, but it's so gorge. Look at how glittery and beautiful red, a plush red as well, adhesive back. I'm going to give these a try for another DIY, and I'll keep you guys posted. But that's what I've been able to acquire recently at the Dollar Tree. I will say, their fall collection is coming in. Kind of looks familiar from like the years prior, maybe even last year. And also the Halloween section. They have a very small aisle, but I've already kind of purchased a lot of their items for Halloween. They do have a new LED light that looked like a dome as opposed to the projector that they usually have, but that's all that I kind of saw that was new. Everything else kind of looks recycled, but nonetheless, I'm sure they're going to debut new collections. They're just kind of, that's how they start. They start really early, just like the school supplies. So anyway, I hope you like what you've seen. If you like what you see, give us a like. Leave us a comment down below. If you'd like to follow me here and follow my videos, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, haul, and TV and movie review. Until next time, y'all. XOXO. Nerdy girl.